Good morning to one and all who is attending this orientation program, Shubharam 2020 for BTech students. Myself, Sapna Singh, HOD BTech first year. Now I want to warm welcome to all newly admitted students on behalf of whole VGI family and congratulate all students to choose your career in technical line and become a part of VGI. So again, I want to welcome all newcomer students who is admitted in BTech in Vishwesharya group of institutions. We will strive to create an accessible space that reduces the need for you to disclose a disability or impairment for the purpose of gaining an accommodation. In doing this, we strive to welcome disability and the changes it brings into our space, that is Vishwesharya group of institutions. So you may change your life here, and this is the beginning of your new life. This is the beginning of professional life. Now, here is some introduction about Vishwesharya Group of Institutions. So, this institution was established in 2000, in the year of 2000, in order to impart high quality education to the students in the area of technology, pharmacy, management, agriculture, and various other courses. So since its inception, the college has continuously been ranked in the top colleges in the Uttar Pradesh. That is in that becomes in top 10 in private engineering college and AKT. This institution has been gratefully borrowed from the name of Sir Vishwesharya, who was the India's first civil engineer. Vishwesharya Group of Institution is located at Greater Noida Phase 2 near Dadri at Ghaziabad Bulandshahr Highway, and it is very near to Eastern Peripheral Expressway. It is approximately 20 kilometers away from Ghaziabad and 8 kilometers from Parid Chowk, Greater Noida. Our college has a beautiful 65-acre huge campus with lush green lawns and boasts of most modern infrastructure, including state-of-art laboratories, having cutting-edge apparatus and equipment there. Separate boarding and lodging facilities is also available for both boys and girls within the campus. More information about the college infrastructure is available on the infrastructure. So again, you're welcome and Vishwesharya group of institutions to be a part of this. We have so many courses in VGI. We offers various technical courses as well as pharmacy courses, management and agriculture courses, education, college, etc. So here is some brief introduction about the courses available in VGI. Engineering. So this is your course, that is the BTech. BTech is known as the engineering course. And this we have so many branches: computer science and engineering, electrical engineering, electronics and communication engineering, mechanical engineering, civil engineering. We also have master in technology. After BTech, you can do MTech. In this, we have computer science and engineering branch, electrical engineering branch, electronics and communication engineering branch, and mechanical engineering branch. We also have diploma in engineering that is known as the Polytechnic. It is affiliated to BTE Lucknow, Board of Technical Education. And BTech and MTech is affiliated to AKTU Lucknow, AKTU University, Lucknow. In diploma, we have computer science and engineering, electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, civil engineering, fashion and garment technology. So these are the streams are available in diploma in engineering for polytechnic students. We have another diploma for modern office management and secretarial practice. We also have some PG diploma courses, PG diploma in journalism and mass communication, PG diploma in beauty and healthcare, PG diploma in advertising and public relation, PG diploma in industrial safety, PG diploma in fashion technology. In education, we have B.Ed course available in VGI campus. We have management college, and this we have MBA, MBA employability, and BBA course. We also have pharmacy college here, and this we have B Pharma and G Pharma course available in VGI campus. We also have law college here. In this, we have LLB 3-year course. We also have vocational courses, vocational program, BVOC, MVOC, DVOC, employment, enhancement. Sorry for the interruption. We also have the GMTP course available in VGI campus, the Graduate Management Trainee Program, National Apprenticeship Training Promotional Scheme. We also have WITI, Work Integrated, ITI. We also have TITP, that is Indo-Japan Technical Intern Training Program. We also have Science College here, and this BSc Agriculture courses available in VGI campus. So these are the courses available in VGI campus. This is the virtual tour of your campus because you are not physically available in our campus. So here is a tour of virtual. So this all about the VGI. This was a small virtual tour of VGI, how the VGI look like. Now, what are the facilities available in VGI campus? So this is the first Microsoft Education campus in India, certified by Microsoft. We also giving 1 crore scholarship to all meritorious students every year from the management, whose percentage is according to the scholarship scheme. So we will give scholarship to the meritorious students. We have highly educated, experienced faculty to teach you. We have 24 into 7 Wi-Fi enabled campus that is very necessary in today's life. And for the placement point of view, because your syllabus of EKTU is not sufficient as per the company's point of view, as per the placement point of view. So we are providing extra guest lectures, seminars, workshops for expertise the students on latest technologies. This is beyond the syllabus. And we also call the industry experts to teach the students time to time. These are the activity which are provided every week for the students. We have virtual lab nodal center from IIT Kanpur. So the idea of virtual lab is to provide students a chance to perform experiments using the internet and visual aids without having the equipment at their end. Means you don't have any equipment, but you are performing your lab using this virtual lab using the internet facility. So nowadays it is very important to do lab from your home because you are not available in our campus and labs are very important in engineering. So we have virtual lab nodal center here. We also have BMW research lab, but this is beneficiary for mechanical engineering students who have opted mechanical engineering. So we have BMW engine here. The specification of this engine is twin power turbo inline 4 cylinder diesel engine and 8-speed Stapronic automatic transmission for demonstration, practice, learning for engineering students, especially for mechanical students because this is automobile sector, BMW research lab. So we also give training and we have tie-up with the BMW for training our mechanical engineering students. We have collaboration with IIT Delhi under the project Unnat Bharat Abhiyan, funded by MHRD. In this, we have opted 5 villages nearby in our college, nearby in our institute, to develop these villages because development of villages is very necessary to develop our India, and this is the prime responsibility of all of us to develop our villages. So we are also doing some social services with the help of this Unnat Bharat Abhiyan project under the guidance of IIT Delhi. We also have a bank and ATM in our campus. We have OBC Bank in our campus. We also have doctor and dispensary to cure your health. This service is available in 24 into 7 hours. The doctor is residing in our campus to cure your health. We also provide mega job fair every year with minimum 25 to 30 companies in within a 2 or 3 days. We have separate training and placement cell here. So your training will be started from first year in the form of PDP, personality development. You will feel a major change in your personality after doing trainings from this institute. These trainings are apart from the your course. This is extra because of placement point of view, your personality development. We are also providing some CCNA courses, Microsoft courses, NPTEL courses, spoken tutorial. These are the extra training courses which are provided in VGI. We taught some extra latest technology also to fulfill the company's requirement, to fulfill the gap between companies and academics. We also taught some PDP classes such as reasoning, aptitude, mock interviews, company placement papers. With the help of these, you may got selected in companies in your final year. So basically, you will do 3-year training under the TNP cell. Now, now what is BTech? Because you have opted BTech, that is Bachelor of Technology. So why you choose BTech? What is the career opportunity? So it is said that engineering is just not a degree, it's a way of thinking. Means your thinking will be converted to invent something new. Even though the number of engineers in India has proliferated over recent years and the demand for good engineers has remained constant. So I hope you will be the engineer with the help with the demand for good engineers. You will fulfill the demand for good engineers. I hope. The course itself can offer a variety of specialties. If you are not sure what to focus in science or in other courses, you may focus on engineering course. This will give you the flexibility to invent something new. Means your idea will be converted to invent something new. Something new means you will create some new equipments, new inventions. These are the career opportunities. Means after doing this engineering course, after doing this BTech, you can offer a diverse career option. You can either opt for a Master of Science, means MSc from a good international university. You may pursue MBA, MTech, Master of Technology, which can help you gain management as well as in technical skills. Besides these options, there are conventional concentrations such as mechanical, electrical, and electronics, and computer science, which are in demand. So engineering can also be a well-paying profession. An engineering graduate has long been respected in Indian society. If you have engineer in your family, so that person will be respected by all. How
Now, how your course BTech is formulated, means what is the duration of this course. BTech is a 4-year duration program course affiliated to Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Technical University, Lucknow, known as AKTU Lucknow, and approved by AICTE. Each year divided into 2 semesters, means this is 4-year duration program course. In each year we have 2 semesters, odd and even semester. Like in BTech first year, you will have first semester and second semester in first year, third and fourth in BTech second year, fifth and sixth in BTech third year, seventh and eighth in BTech final year. Fourth year is known as the final year. We have branch code here. For every branch we have some codes. Like for civil engineering branch we have 00 code. For computer science CS we have 10 code. For electrical engineering EE we have 20 code. For electronics and communication EC we have 31 codes, 31 code. For mechanical engineering ME we have 40 code. So these are the codes. These are the subjects you will learn in BTech first year. There are total 10 subjects. In this, 4 subjects are practical subjects and 6 subjects are theoretical subjects. In serial number 1 we have engineering physics / engineering chemistry. That means you will learn engineering physics in first semester and engineering chemistry in second semester. At the end of each semester you will give the end semester examination also. So engineering physics and engineering chemistry will run in both parallel semester, means in one semester engineering physics, in another semester, in next semester you will learn engineering chemistry. Mathematics is a compulsory subject. Third is basic electrical engineering. Like physics and chemistry, in first semester you will learn electrical engineering and second semester you will learn basic electronics engineering. We have on fourth point, fourth subject is programming for problem solving as well as elements of mechanical engineering. We have labs also, physics lab, chemistry lab, electrical engineering lab, basic electronics lab, programming for problem solving lab, English language lab, engineering graphics and design lab. The next AI for engineering, artificial intelligence for engineering, / emerging technology for engineering. AI for first semester and emerging technology for next semester. You will learn these subjects in parallel semesters. KNC 101 soft skill. This is the compulsory audit subject. This is compulsory to all, and this syllabus is common to all branches. Whatever branch you have opted, like computer science, electronics and communication, mechanical, civil, electrical, whatever branch you have opted, you will learn this syllabus as a common in first year. After first year, your specialization will be started, like from second year. If you are in computer science, then computer science subjects will be started. So specialization will be started from started from second year onwards. In first year you will learn common to all subjects. These are the lab and facilities in BTech first year. Chemistry lab, graphics lab, workshop, computer lab, professional communication lab, mechanical engineering lab, physics lab, electrical engineering lab, registrar's office for documentation, for communication to the university. We have registrar office, reception, account office, library. We have separate hostel for girls and boys in VGI campus itself. We have separate TV lounge, indoor theatres, auditorium for separate boys and girls hostel. 24-hour security at gate and power supply is available. RO plant for both boys and girls hostel. Wi-Fi, this is Wi-Fi enabled campus, whole campus is Wi-Fi enabled. We have guest house, if your parents will come to meet you, if your relatives will come to meet you, then they may reside in guest house. We have separate gymnasium also. We have some sports ground also in VGI, because sports is very necessary for your healthy life. We have separate cricket ground, football ground, basketball court, volleyball court, indoor badminton court, table tennis, snooker board, chess. These sports are available in VGI. We have separate teams for each sport. Other facilities are medical services with ambulance facility is available in VGI. Photostat shop, stationery shop and provision shop is also available in campus. Bank and ATM is available in campus. Temple is in VGI campus. Library and computer labs, your yoga and dance classes is also available in VGI. Online course material in the form of digital library is available in VGI campus. This is the library snapshot. We have 2100 square feet area, and we have stock of so many books. We have national and international journals also and magazines also. Now, this is the very important thing, your attendance. As per the AKTU, a student must have 100% attendance. That means you may take only 15% leave as a medical or emergency leave, and 10% of 100% attendance will be granted by Vice Chancellor of AKTU Lucknow. So, in your class, you have to attend 75% attendance. You have to maintain 75% attendance in your class. Otherwise, you will not able to appear in end semester examination. And a student will be detained if his or her attendance is less than 75%. So, you have to maintain at least 75% attendance in class. Now, another most important thing is discipline in VGI campus. Discipline will be the most important thing which will be maintained at any cost in Vishwesharya group of institutions. Without maintaining discipline, you can't be a successful person in your life. If you will discipline in your life, if you will maintain the discipline in your life, then you will become a successful person as well as a successful engineer. Indiscipline actions are roaming in verandas. So you have to avoid roaming in verandas, sitting on the staircase, not attending the classes regularly, found in canteens while classes are going on, misbehaving with teachers, argument with the faculty members, misbehaving with third and fourth class employees, wearing any indecent clothes, going on mass bunks, reaching late in class, threatening or misbehaving with your classmates, using mobile phones in class, talking to neighbor student while teacher is teaching in the class. So these will be considered as an act of indiscipline, and you will be punished if you will found in indiscipline action. Some common tips to help your success. First point is manage your time. Means when you have to reach in your college, at what time your college will be started. So you have to reach in classroom before 5 minutes before the commencement of class. You have to manage your time for sports, for extracurricular activities also, because these are the very important things. And next is work with people, but don't copy. Share your ideas only, but don't copy their ideas. You have to develop your own ideas, your own creative thinking. Next is focus on learning. Don't obsess about marks. Means you have to learn. You have to get knowledge. Next, ask for help. You may ask for help from your head of the department, your teachers, your director, your deans. From anyone you may ask for the help if you are really in need. Next is treat people with respect. Remember always, if you will give respect to others, then others will also give you the respect. You have to focus on competence, not confidence. If you will be overconfident, then you will lose something your personality. Then don't give up on yourself. If you will give up, you will surely fail. So again, thank you so much for attending this orientation program Shubharambh 2020 in Visvesvaraya Group of Institutions, and I again welcome to all newcomer BTech students in our VGI campus as become a family member of VGI. Thank you all.